This lady here, which is my senior colleague, has generated over $100 from a single money-making app by just playing game. Not just anyhow game, but a fun game that rewards you in returns. Now, if you're lovers of playing game and you want to turn this into real cash, stick with me to the end of this video. And if you're the one that doesn't love playing game, or you are the busy type just like me, there's another way you can do it. All you need to do is to give your phone to your kids or your siblings. Kids love playing game, so they can help you to play the game while you earn the money. Do you understand? Okay guys, so I want to put a disclaimer here. This app I'm about to share with you won't make you rich overnight. For you to see the kind of results my senior colleague got, you need to put in the work, you must be consistent, and you must put in the efforts. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time coming across this channel, hi, I'm Abigail by name. On this channel, we share strategies on how to make money online. So if you're lovers of making money online, kindly hit the subscribe button, make sure you like this video, and give these videos a thumbs up. And to my returning subscriber, I want to say thank you so much. And I also love if you can like and share this video. Let's get started. This gaming app I'm talking about is called Backfight. It's a shooter adventure game where you are going to lead a squad of heroes on a battlefield. So firstly, what you are going to do is to download the app on your phone, then install it. Then you are going to register an account with either Google account or Facebook. So I'm going to log in with my Google account. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through all the key sessions and how you are going to navigate through the app. Now to play the game, simply slide your finger across your phone screen in the direction the arrow is pointing and repeat this once. This way you won't be wasting your gaming lifespan. The game begins by shooting your enemy. So as a leader, you will guide your squad of heroes to the very end. And it is very important to move in a zigzag direction like the way I'm doing. This way you can eliminate any of your enemy coming from the corners and goes off the battlefield. Now anytime the enemies get closer, they will take out of your squad members. So ensure you always keep a distance by moving in a zigzag direction. You will also find weapons and other squad of heroes to pick along the way. And this squad are the ones that comes through the blue barrier. Now just move in that zigzag direction until you reach your defense fence. Okay guys, so before we move further, I would like to share with you things you might encounter on the battlefield. An example is a red object you are seeing here. Yeah. So when you go a little bit step forward, you are going to see a bump hole. So all these are danger signs. So you need to make sure you avoid this. So once you have successfully escaped and eliminate all your enemies on the battlefield, you are going to be rewarded with R2 platform and gold coins. So there's another way you can actually double your gold coins 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. And to do that, what you need to do is to monitor your arrows, and once it stumbles or the number you want to multiply your gold coins by, just click on this particular button here. So there's going to display some ad, and once this ad finish, your multiplied coins will be credited to your account. Now alternatively, you might see this ATM price with this blue background, and you need to tap 3 of them randomly to obtain the price. So if you don't get the price, you can click on this key button to unlock 3 more keys, so which will open another box to reveal the hidden price. Since I was able to get this price here, I'm going to click skip, and that should bring all the reward I have earned from this battle. So I'm going to click I know to proceed. So let us look at how this reward goes. So the R2 reward platforms, go to your red banknotes, and the ATM reward will also be credited to your blue banknotes, and your gold coins will be credited to your gold coins. All these add up to your potential earning. So let us talk about these 2 important options. So if you see my squad of heroes, I have 7 heroes. Now for you that is new, you probably start with 2 or 3. Now for you to increase your teams of heroes, you will need to click the first option. And once I click on it, you will see 1 more squad of heroes will be added to my team, which makes it 8, which the system will deduct certain amount of gold coins, which I've already claimed before, because this addition aren't free. So make sure you try to accumulate as many gold coins as possible, especially if you want to buy more squad of heroes that will help you to defeat your enemies on the battlefield faster. Now, second option has different elements. You are going to realize that I, as a leader, currently am bigger and stronger than my squad. So right now, when you have enough coins and you click on this, you will be able to improve your power as a leader of your member. And because I've already purchased different protective elements, when I click on the same option, you will see a new component has been added to me as a leader, which will further help me to defeat my enemies on the battlefield. Another thing you need to focus on are the withdrawal options. When I click the first option, which is the first red banknote withdrawal, you're going to see a challenge or machine tab in progress. So, to solve these challenges, you will need to fulfill specific tasks before you can withdraw from this particular balance. Now, and to qualify and withdraw this option, first you have to invite a specified number of friends given to you. So the next requirement to complete this mission is to ensure the progress bar are filled up, and to do that, click on this button, on the finish button. So once you click on the finish button, it's going to direct you to this daily task page. So you need to complete all these tasks before the red bank withdrawal option will be available for you to withdraw. Now let us go to the main page and click on the second option, which is the blue banknote withdrawal. So with this option, all the points you will be accumulating primarily through playing the game are credited here. So the good thing here is that for you to withdraw, there is no mission for you to complete. So to withdraw the points you have earned, click on the withdrawal button. I suggest you select paper from the option here. So then click on confirm, and all the points will be converted to dollar. So click on withdraw all and put in your email that you used to register for paper. Now, after you put in your email, put in your name, the name on your paper. Now, according to this platform, it may take between 24 hours or 3 days for the money to reflect in your paper account. Do you get? So if you don't know how to create your paper account, you see the link in my description box or on the screen here. Just click on the link and set up your paper account. It's very easy. Now, let's go back to the main page and let us click the ATM withdrawal option. With this option, you need to refer a friend and complete all the daily tasks before you can withdraw from this option. Now, to be able to make enough money from this app or achieve higher payouts like my senior colleague I told you about, you must combine all the three withdrawal options to boost your earning. I mean the ATM withdrawal option, the red banknotes, and the gold coins. All the three options must be combined to boost your earning. Also, remember to refer your friend. And to do this, all you need to do is to click this invite button, then click on copy content and share it with your friends. So that's where you can get your link. As you see from this dashboard, the platform claims to reward you with blue or red points for every friend you successfully refer. So Backfight is a legitimate app where you can earn by playing games and completing simple tasks. So what is there is that you need to be consistent and be patient to see those rewards coming. Now, if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button for more tips on how to make money.